Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to clear horizontal line in printout. Okay, please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Okay, let's start the video. Take a printer cartridge, open cartridge first. I am removing notches, cartridge notches. There is a two notch. Okay, remove this cartridge. You see here there is a magnetic rod bush problem. Bush is not there. Okay, open refilling site cover. Okay, slowly open. Cartridge is sensitive. Remove this. Okay, remove carefully magnetic rod. Remove magnetic rod gear. You see, this is magnetic rod bush. Okay, put this bush in magnetic rod, then put the gear. Okay, refix in refilling section. Okay, fit this cover back. Okay, fix the screw. Okay,